Discover the taste of Italy. Introducing a recipe that brings together the essence of Italian cuisine in every bite. Italian pizza stuffed mushrooms. Start by preparing fresh Cremini mushrooms, carefully removing the stems to create the perfect base. Sauté garlic, onions, and a medley of peppers to enhance the flavor profile. Fill each mushroom cap with zesty marinara sauce. Link in description on how to make authentic marinara sauce. This is followed by a generous layer of shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Bake until the cheese melts to golden perfection and the mushrooms are tender. Experience the irresistible flavors of Italy with us. Perfect for any occasion, these Italian pizza stuffed mushrooms are sure to delight. La Germania, bringing the taste of Italy to your kitchen.
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.